besties, welcome back to another vlog, another weekend vlog I should say. You guys, I hope you all are doing well. Happy Saturday. Today is Saturday. I just got back from getting my hair done. Hold up. I know what you're saying already, like, girl, what? No, I just had it colored and then blow dried. So I'm gonna go in and do the ponytail because, you know, I can't be bothered with it. I love the ponytail. It's perfect for my life because I'm working out every day, so it fits. Anyways, we're not here for that. We have a weekend planned. I don't know a step by step, but you know, I have the camera with me and I am taking you with me, you guys. Today we have an event that we are going to. I'm gonna show you when we get there. I'm super excited and I'm gonna tell you a hint. Here's the hint. Tonight's fragrance is going to be Queen of Silk, and I'm not sure yet. I might mix it with Carmina, or I might mix it with Creed Aventus for her. I don't know yet. So don't ask me. I don't know. You keep your phone on. Charge your battery. And when I call you back, pick it up and answer. Okay, stay right there. I'm gonna hit you back. Okay, bye. So you guys, do you see this? This is natural lighting. Yes, I have my extra filter on, but not for lashes, just for saturation. I'm an oversaturation kind of girl. Anyways, we're not here for that, you guys. These are the Lily lashes, okay? These are up to 25 uses. This is my first time wearing these, but I've been wearing Lily lashes forever, and you can wear them over and over and over again. These are Milan 3D Fox Mink lashes, and they are good. Like, these are my absolute favorite. I love Goddess. I love Flare, Miami Flare, Miami Light. Like, that was my jam, right? But these ones right here, these are the new. I got a discount. I'm gonna put it right here so that you can grab some too, because they're giving and they're lightweight. They're super. You see them. New lash alert. I'm wearing these lashes tonight by Lily Lash. Thank you so much, Lily Lash, for sending these over. They are super comfortable and they're super cute. I did not get any pictures, you guys. I wanted to show you the bag that went with the dress. This is the bag that I did carry. My favorite is chain detail. It does come with another strap and a little pouch as well, but this is the bag I carried. So here are the shoes, you guys. I picked these up at Steve Madden. The heel is pretty nice. Okay, that's not a kitten heel. Pick somebody else. They were very comfortable. They gave very much sexy. Pedicure was on fresh. Heels were not cracked, dry, or ashy, okay? Because you were completely on display with these shoes. But they are super cute. Tonight's fragrance is Queen of Silk. And of course, Carmina. I mixed it with a little bit of Carmina. It's just only fitting. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. Hello, beautiful besties. We have made it. We are here at the event. And they gave a cute little bracelet. It's scented with Queen of Silk. That is our fragrance of the night, mixed with Carmina. So let's go inside and see what they have.
Stuck in the past watching videos of us. I have been trying to get rid of your stuff, but voices in my head are telling me to stop. It's all I have left, all I have of you. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. 'Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget.
Turn left on North Rodeo Drive, then turn right on Dayton Way.
Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? Love me like that. Oh, staying inside in my bed all day long, listening to sad songs and feeling so low, thinking about you and where we went wrong. 'Cause I wanna know why you let me go. Thought I was more than a...
Hey besties, welcome back to another portion of the vlog. You guys, this is the next day, okay? But I didn't wear this dress to film in. I just wore it last night, so we're filming in it. Oh my gosh, you guys, we had such an amazing night, such an amazing time at the event. It was a pop-up and it was a artist pop-up, and so Creed was a sponsor of the event, so they were there, so we were invited, and I was super excited because of course, you know, you love when you go someplace and they give you a goodie bag, and I told you my guy was my +1, so he got a goodie bag too. Actually, he said I can give his goodie bag to one of the besties, so it's gonna be a giveaway. He actually didn't say that. I asked him if I could have it for one of the besties, and he was like, yeah, go for it. So that's what we're doing today. Anyways, I don't want to open yours, but I'm gonna open mine. You guys, I hope you had a great day. We went to dinner, we had a date. It was so nice. We we were gonna go to the penthouse, and then all of a sudden it just wasn't the vibe that went with the vibe we were already vibing on at the art gallery. So we went to Aria. Is that Arvia? Aria. I don't even know how to say it. So we went to another restaurant, one of my faves. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen all this because hold up, I feel like I need some lip gloss. I put the whole date on Instagram because it's so much fun. And you guys always tell me you love the date nights and you love to see the places. So we did that. And it was super, super fun. It was just such a great date. You guys, I don't know if you know how I went out with, speaking of the guy that I went out with my guy. But I'm telling you, last night I went out with the one. I went out with Valaya. Oh, remember that fragrance video? Yeah. So last night I went out with Valaya on the date. It was so much fun. I had coffee after espresso. I mean, it was just a good time. It was a good time. It was a good date night. I wore this dress. I know you guys didn't see a full OOTD of the dress. I was like, or OOTD of the dress. I was a little nervous because this is like a body fitting dress. And I was like, what am I doing? Who am I? I had on slingy heels. I had this gold bag, my Prada gold bag. And I was just like, I don't know, I felt like a new girl. Like, I'm gonna tell the ladies, come in real quick. Come in, I gotta tell you something. Like, every now and I can't even talk. Every now and again, pull out that freaking dress. Pull out that dress and put your hair up or put it down, I don't care. Do whatever makes you feel good. And spritz some perfume on and walk like you know. Own it. Walk like you know. Confidence is key. You will be amazed. I can't say too much. You guys, that's all I can say, okay? I'm just saying. Ladies, I'm talking to you. This is for you. Pull that dress out or whatever makes you feel confident, sexy, secure, whatever. Pull it out, own it, command it, and walk in it, okay? And not only own it and walk in it, but believe it. Believe it. So last night after, oh God, I have like 50,000 stories running through my head right now that I'm trying to tell you guys on. Let me finish one. The date night was amazing. And I say that because, you know, we date all the time, but we did something totally different, totally that I have never done before. We never went like to an art exhibit like that. It was like 3 stories, upstairs, downstairs. And neither one of us really knew anyone there. I knew the team from Creed, so I knew that they would be there. And we spoke and hung out a little bit. My God, I got a chance to meet and talk to them as well, which was really cool. But we didn't know anybody else, so I started meeting people and talking to people that I probably would have not really ever or people that I probably would have never spoke to or met because I'm not in those kind of common places. I'm not really an art person. He's an art person. He's very artsy. He's very, you know, theater, arts, all that type of stuff, creative music, very much like that. So he was like extremely excited to go. And I was like, okay, cool. But I met women last night and talked to people that, you know, I would have never known that we had so much in common. They were into fragrance. We were talking about fragrances. We were just talking about different things in life. And then we went down the conversation of talking about women. There were these girls staring at me. Not in a bad way, but they were just staring. And so we had locked eyes. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I told you this already, but let's open it up here. We locked eyes. And so they're looking at me and I look up and I look at them and I'm like, hey, you know, like, what's good? And so they were like, oh my God, your shoes are so pretty. You know, your dress is so pretty. You're pretty. They're just really kind. I was like, oh, thank you. Thank you. But if I would have never looked up and made eye contact with them, I could have took that like, why are you looking at me? Like, what's wrong? Like, hello, can I help you? So you always have to just, you know, kind of, when you are staring at somebody for a good thing, not a bad thing, but for a good thing, just say it. Like, oh my God, your shoes are cute. Or, oh my God, you look so nice. Or smile. Because maybe they weren't the kind of girls that were outgoing and they speak. You guys, I speak to everybody, okay? This is what I do. I love talking. I have been talking since I was born. I love talking. It's what I do. And so maybe not everybody is a chatty Cathy like me. So, or Kathy. Not a catty, chatty Cathy like me. So I will always extend myself. Like, if I see somebody that I like, or I see something that they have on, I'm always going to greet you like, hey, beautiful. If I don't know you by name, or even if I do sometime, hey, beautiful, hey, gorgeous, because I want you to know, like, oh my gosh, you know, like, I'm a girl's girl. Like, I don't play those stare at me, hunt me down. Can we just be nice to each other? We are both or all women that I'm talking to. And if you see another woman, give her flowers. You smell good. You look good. Girl, I was looking at you because you are working that dress, your body, okay? I see you, okay? it's always nice to give a compliment, a true compliment. Now, if you happen to be staring at somebody because they did something janky or something crazy and they look crazy and you happen to lock eyes, just smile. You do not need to tell somebody how you feel about them. If you have nothing nice to say, just don't say anything at all. So turn around real fast and be like, oh my God, hey girl, you know, you don't have to give them the tea if it's not positive tea. But if it is, say it. I love your bag. I love your shoes. I will compliment you, period. Okay? I will go out of my way if I see something on you and compliment you. And another thing, ladies, that I love to do is that I love to compliment women when they're with their man. When they're with their guy, when they're with their husband, their man, whoever their significant other is. I love to be like, oh my gosh, girl, your legs, killer legs. I want to say that so that maybe he hasn't looked at your legs today and he's like, okay. It's what we should do for each other. Women should show up for each other, cheer for each other. Competition where? I don't see it. You are you, I am me. What's for me is going to be for me, and what's for you is going to be for you. You could never, because there's only one me. And I could never, because there's only one you. Okay, so anyways, back to it, you guys. This is what it is. This is what they gave out. I didn't even open mine yet. So, oh, cute. Oh my God, you guys are gonna love this. Okay, so this is it here. And inside of here, when you open it, it has a ton of fragrance samples in there so that you can try them. So one of you will get this. You won't get this one because I've already opened it, but you will get this one. Okay, so we'll do a giveaway. Just leave a comment in the comment section below. Leave one thing you liked about the vlog, the video. Share it with somebody, tag somebody. I'm gonna pick a winner at random. I'm gonna put it in the mail and I'm gonna mail it to you. I might even fold this. Oh, I can't give you this bag because I got my makeup all over it. But I might fold I was trying to make sure the microphone is still on because you guys already know how the microphone goes over here. So I'm gonna fold this down like this and fold it. Oh no, you don't want neither one of these bags. They got makeup all over them. I'm gonna stop touching stuff because it's just making a mess. But anyways, yes, I will put this in the mail for you. And then this is another fragrance they gave, which is, what fragrance is this? I don't even know. Aventus for her? I don't know what oh, it's 1760. That's the name of the fragrance. I thought the house was established in 1760. House was established in 1760 as well. Okay, anyways, so you'll get this in your bag as well. I'll put this in there as well. It's another fragrance so that you can have that. Oh, this is Queen of Silk. Duh. So if you haven't had a chance to smell Queen of Silk, you will have a chance to smell it because I'm gonna put this in here for you. Anyways, all of the information will be in the description box. Just leave a comment, enter me, say something about the vlog, something interesting, and tag somebody, share the video. I think that really is a great way to do it. And then I'm going to get this in the mail to you. Give me a week or so because you know me and procrastination. I'm trying, but I'm not there yet. Pick somebody else. So that's that on that. Last night I wore both of these, okay? And I met a couple of ladies and we were talking. And so we were both saying, or all three of us were saying, Queen of Silk is definitely the bold, heavy hitter. It is very pronounced. It is very in your face. Is definitely that woman. This Carmina is absolutely amazing. It's so much easier to wear, in my opinion. It's just, it's softer is what I want to say. It's softer. It doesn't feel as intentional. It doesn't feel as intentional. That's not the word I'm trying to say. It doesn't feel as intentional. That's it. This doesn't feel as intentional as this. When I spray this, I told you guys I would spray this with intention. I'm going here like last night. It was a little bit more laid back. This was probably even more dressy than it was for last night. But what I thought it was going to be, it would have been perfect, but it wasn't that. It was more this. So this would have been easier to wear. No need to fret, no need to fear because I mixed them both together and I rocked them both. So it was all good in the neighborhood. So that is it for this vlog. I'm closing it out. I'm getting ready to start another one. I hope you guys are loving these like cooked food because I'm having a blast with them. I got some new products from Ellis Brooklyn. Yeah, Ellis Brooklyn sent over fragrances. So we're going to dive and take one of those. I don't know if you guys are going to see this video during the right time, but I am doing 30% off right now with Soy Vanguard. So if you have not checked out that video, check it out, or just go over to Soy Vanguard's website. Everything is 30% off on the site, excluding Mind Games. I don't believe Mind Games is a part of it, but remember I was always talking about this, my Latte de Cherry. This is 30% off. I was talking about Sunset Hour, 30% off, Strychnina, 30% off. There's so many of the other ones that I was talking about in that video that's 30% off as well. Oh, and if you use lashes, today's lashes are gifted by Lily Lash. Thank you so much, you guys. These are really good. They look very natural. You probably can't see them that much. Can you see them? What do I need to do? I don't know, but these are like my new favorite. I normally like Goddess. I normally like what are they called? Oh God. Miami Flare, Miami Light. I just love all the Lily lashes. I like the wispy ones that flare out. They go best with my eye shape, which is an almond eye shape. But these here are the 3D Fox Mink Milan lashes, I believe they are. They're up to 25 usage, depending on how you take care of them. They're full lashes, they're semi-dramatic, and I love them. I do have a discount code. I'm going to link it in the description box below. It is Cheraye15. So if you are needing lashes for your spring break trip coming up, I'm a strip kind of girl when it comes to a lash. I can't be sitting down, laying down, getting the lashes done, because when I have my lashes on and I look like I'm done up, like I don't know how to act, and I don't need to be acting like that all the time. Like, so on the weekend is when I put the lashes on and I'm like, okay, who is she doing? But Monday through Friday up until about 5:30, it's like, why? Absolutely not. I'm going to the gym, I'm going to Whole Foods, I'm going home. That's what I do. It's very mundane. It's very Trader Joe's, Target, you know, all the places we all go. That's it for this video. Is that it? I think that's it. Did I have anything else to share with you guys? I don't. Oh, skincare. Some Origins send over some skincare, so I'll be sharing that with you guys. I'm super excited about that. I told you I was interested in skincare, hair, all the beauty. Okay, send it over, all the beauty. Thank you very much. Thank you so much to Lily Lash for sending this over. Thank you so much to Creed for the invite. You guys, all of the information will be in the description box below for everything that I spoke about. Do not forget the 30% off that is going on right now with Sweat Vanguard, and I will see you beautiful besties in the next one. Don't forget, ladies, bring out that freakum dress or whatever type of dress it is that you have, or pants, or whatever. Okay, whatever makes you feel bold, strong, confident, sexy, and courageous. Bring it out. You know, every now and again, it's good to remind yourself. It's good to remind yourself. But last night, I was like, oh my, where have I been? And I go out all the time, but it was just different. And I think I really felt different. And I'm not gonna keep y'all. I'm not gonna let y'all go. But I really felt different because I dressed outside of my comfort zone. Like, I was really like, I'm always that girl, but like last night, the outfit was giving that girl. It was giving that girl. I didn't get any pictures of it. I wasn't that comfortable yet in it. I was just like, oh my God, all this body is just like out. Like, what are we doing? Who am I? But he was like, where you been? I was like, oh my God, what you want to do? You guys, stop. You guys always come over and make me act up. But anyways, yeah, it was really, really good. And also, my second thing I'm leaving you with, compliment another woman. If you see something that you're admiring on another woman, the next time you see her, tag me in and let me know you did this. Just tell her about it. Tell her, I love your handbag. You look beautiful today. I love your hair. Your makeup is gorgeous. I love your lashes. Hello. Send me the lashes. All the lashes. Okay, you guys, seriously, I have to go. Love you like cook food. Talk to you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.